Hey guys, welcome back to the mini frugal chef. Well, since I ate all my Halloween candy and got a stomach ache, today I decided to make a fresh, easy Middle Eastern cucumber yogurt salad. So let's go on with the video. Here I have 4 medium-sized cucumbers and I sliced them into little pieces and I took off the seeds. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt to these and mix the salt in. Once you've mixed your salt with your cucumber, just like I did, we're gonna let our cucumbers sit. So for our yogurt dressing, here I have 1 cup of Greek yogurt, unsweetened, and I'm gonna add 2 cloves of very finely minced garlic and get that all out. And I'm gonna add about 5 leaves of fresh mint, very finely chopped. Here I'm using my fresh mint from my garden. If you do not have fresh mint, you can use dry mint. And now we're gonna add a pinch of salt. And we're gonna mix it with a whisk. Now my yogurt dressing is all mixed together and it looks just like this. And I'm gonna set it aside just for a minute and I'm gonna bring back my cucumber. Now the salt took out all the cucumber water, so we're gonna take off the excess liquid off these and make sure there's no liquid. Now I took off all my excess liquid and now I'm gonna add my yogurt dressing to my cucumber. Just like this. We're gonna add all of it. Now, you can add how much you like, but for right now, I'm gonna add all of it. And I'm gonna mix it together until it's all incorporated. Okay, everyone, this is how my salad is looking, and it smells and looks amazing. Now, we're gonna taste it to see if it needs a little bit of salt. It tastes amazing. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and you know what? I would also appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. Bye, guys.